super bright. Spot beam for long irradiation distance, flood beam for the broad view area. Combo beam provides excellent visual effect. Adjustable bracket. The mounting bracket can be adjusted and slid, offering convenience to adjust position flexibly when needed. 2 available leads. 12-foot extendable wiring harness, 2 sets of light output connectors for dual light fixtures less than 180 W. Wide application. Suitable for almost all 12 volts battery vehicles, such as Jeeps, ATVs, UTVs, cars, motorcycles, ships, yachts and trailers. Package includes 1PC 72W LED light bars, 1x5-pin rocker switch wiring harness kit. Fit type. Universal fit. Specification. LED power, 72W, 24x3W high-intensity LED. Beam pattern. Flood spot combo beam input voltage, 9 to 30 volts DC, fits 12 volts, 24 volts vehicles. Working lifespan. Over 30,000 hours. Working temperature. -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. LED color temperature. Pure white 6000K 6500K. Material. 6063 aluminum alloy profile, high-quality lead chips, PC lens. Waterproof rate. IP67, waterproof, dustproof, quakeproof and anti-corrosive. Certifications. CE, FCC and RoHS. Wiring harness. 12 feet universal wiring harness kit, 2 leads. Wire gauge. 16 Aruban florins, operating voltage, 12 volts DC. Max wattage, 180 W, max ampere, 15A. 5-pin on-off rocker switch, District of Columbia 12V automotive relay, inline blade fuse with 3 extra fuses. Applications. Off-road lighting, backup light, Jeeps, 4x4, cars, motorcycles, ATV, UTV, SUV, truck, trailer, forklift, trains, boat, bus, road buggy, sandrail, etc. Other lighting. Excavator, dozer, road roller, crane, tractor, harvester, grain drill, mower, snowplow, fire engine, rescue vehicle, camping, mining, construction lighting, etc. Household lighting. Garden, backyard, garage, indoor lighting. Note. Use a voltage transformer, converter to convert the AC 110 to 120 volts to District of Columbia 12V for indoor use. Closing parenthesis. Top reviews from the United States. Light bar for front of Polaris Sportsman 570. This was very adaptable and with some fine-tuning works great. They are very bright and the wiring harness was better than expected.